Hello, IK here. Welcome to new playlist AI for developers. Modern coding with chatgpt. Chapter 1, Video 1. How to learn programming in the AI era 2026 guide. Artificial intelligence has changed software development, but it has not removed the need for human understanding. In 2026, every developer works with AI tools. They can generate code, explain concepts, and even build small applications. However, the essential principle of programming remain the same. AI can help you write code faster, but it cannot replace your ability to think clearly and design a good system. Understanding what changed. The biggest change brought by AI is speed. Tasks that used to take hours now take minutes. AI can generate functions, components, SQL query, and the documentation. It can create examples for you, rewrite code, or help you debug. But while AI is powerful, it is not intelligent in the human sense. It does not understand the real purpose of the application. It does not see the whole picture. It can only predict what code looks like, not what code needs to do. For this reason, developers still need logical thinking, architectural understanding, and the ability to evaluate what AI produces. AI can assist you, but it cannot lead you. The responsibility remains with the developer. The fundamentals you still need. Before using AI effectively, every student must learn a solid foundation. These skills allow you to understand what AI generates and to decide whether its output is correct. Number one, programming logic. This includes understanding conditions, loops, state, and the flow of data. Logic is the core of all programming. Two, data structure. Array, objects, JSON, and SQL tables. These are the forms in which applications store and exchange information. JavaScript and React Basic. Components, props, hooks, and basic rendering. This concept from the modern front end. Number four, backend concept, REST API, routes, authentication, and server-side logic. You don't need to be an expert, but you must understand how front end and backend communicate. These fundamentals are mental tools. They all AI to help, they allow AI to help you instead of confusing you. How to use AI while learning. AI works best when you use it in a focused way. Here are the most effective methods. Ask AI to explain a concept in simple language. Request small code examples to study, not entire applications. Compare your own code with the AI generated code. Use AI to explore different ways to solve a problem. Always review the architecture and correct the mistakes AI produces. The goal is not to let AI do everything for you. The goal is to use AI as an accelerator for your own learning and understanding. A practical learning path for 2026. Here is a simple roadmap that works well for beginners in the AI era. Learn the basic of JavaScript. Learn the fundamentals of React. Learn basic backend development in the language you prefer. Learn SQL and the principles of REST APIs. Learn how to prompt AI effectively and safely. 6. Build one complete real project, such as an e-commerce application, CRM, or Black. Building a real full project is the moment when everything connects. Concepts that seemed complicated suddenly become clear. A complete project teaches more than a dozen of separate tutorials. Final thoughts. Learning programming in 2026 is more accessible than ever. AI is a powerful tool that can support you at every step. But the value of a developer still comes from understanding structure and logical thinking. When you combine solid foundations with smart use of AI, you learn faster and build better software. This chapter introduces the idea of learning in the AI era. In the following lessons, we will explore how to use AI correctly, how to guide it instead of depending on it, and how to combine human knowledge with machine generated code to create strong real world applications. If you know somebody that needs a playlist like this one, tell them about it. Subscribe, like. Thank you for watching this video.